Hey everyone, okay, so have you ever noticed that you, as a consumer, that's me as well, we never ever seem to get the same results that we see from the companies that we purchase our products from. We just bought a new product and it claims to deliver everything as well as cuddling us at night. And yet we apply it and we don't get any of those benefits, and we certainly don't get the cuddle. Well, why is that? Let me explain. Truthfully speaking, compliance is the biggest reason that we as consumers do not see results from our products. And I just read a study that showed 95% of people that buy skincare products do not follow through long enough to actually see results. And that's because we live in a world of multiple choice. So we've just bought a new product and it is going to caress us all night long until we're just done with it. And we can't wait to use it. And we use it. We use it for a week. Sometimes we use it for 2, occasionally 3, but then we don't use it as often. And then we forget to use it. And then there's something shiny and pretty out there that's new and promises to caress us deeper than the previous product. So we buy that one and we stop using the product that we bought originally. And compliance is the biggest issue for the reasons we don't see results from skincare. Generally speaking, it takes 6 whole weeks for a skin cycle to move through its entire cycle, right? 6 full weeks. So we need to wait at least 6 weeks to start seeing benefits, but then we need to wait another full cycle again to see the true benefits of the product. That's 12 weeks or 3 months. Most of us are not committing that length of time to any single product, especially new products. And when I'm referring to products, I'm talking about actives. Most moisturizers are instantaneous. They give our skin softness immediately. But those aren't actives. If you're looking at things like exfoliants or retinoids or azelaic acid, those things need time to work on the skin. And we have to give them that length of time. And this is why we're not seeing results, because we're not following through long enough. We're talking a minimum of 6 to at least 12 weeks to start seeing the true benefits from that product because of those skin cycles. But we're not following through. Who's got 12 weeks? We don't want 12 weeks because something new has just come out and that's even better than the product we just bought. So we need that one now. But then we'll use that one and then something else will come out that's even better than that one. And that's the cycle. And that's the nature of consumers and consumable products, is that companies are always trying to create new products that are better than the previous product on the market or the best-selling product on the market. But we need to give whatever product we're looking at long enough for it to actually work, for us to be able to decide whether or not that product is worth the commitment. And when we do find a product that's worth the commitment, it's usually a good idea to stay with it, regardless of the plethora of other products out there that are available. We have to give things time to work, and we just don't. And I promise you, that is the true reason why the majority of us are not getting results from our products. Some products, particularly prescription strength retinoids, can take a long time to see results because you're going through an uncomfortable phase, and sometimes that phase can actually make things worse before it gets better. But we need to give things time, and we just don't, because we're in a hurry and we want it to work instantly, and it isn't, and therefore it's a piece of shit and we don't want to use it anymore. When in fact it's probably an excellent product that if you give it 12 weeks, you may see some excellent results. Let me know what you think right down there in the description bar, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.